Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we give you real, honest, and practical reviews of the most interesting products out there. And today, we've got something feathered friends will absolutely love. We're talking about the best parrot toys wooden chew hanging, the SunGrow Parakeet wooden chew toy. Let's see what makes it such a hit among bird owners and why your pet bird might thank you for getting it. At first glance, it may just look like a cute little bundle of wood slices hanging on a rope, but there's a lot more going on. The design is intentionally layered and interactive, giving birds multiple textures and angles to explore. It's made up of circular wood cookies strung on natural cotton rope both vertically and horizontally. This stacking and hanging design not only satisfies a bird's chewing instinct but also encourages climbing and exploring. Now, why is this toy so good for your bird? Every bird, whether it's a parrot, a conure, or an African gray, has an innate instinct to peck. In the wild, they would be tapping away at trees, rocks, or whatever they can find. But inside a cage, that need doesn't go away. That's where this chew toy really shines. The wood cookies are made from soft, pithy wood that's easy on the beak yet super satisfying to chew. Birds love the texture, and it keeps them from getting bored or resorting to destructive behaviors. This toy also delivers when it comes to keeping your feathered buddy active. Because it's a hanging toy, it swings a little when touched, which adds to the fun. Birds can hop around it, climb up, hang off it, peck at it, and even play tug-of-war with the rope threads. Try tying bells or crinkled paper strips onto the ropes. It becomes a customizable play gym hanging right in the cage. One of the most important features of any pet product is safety, and this SunGrow chew toy has that covered. It's made from 100% natural materials, no plastics, no metals, and nothing synthetic. No sharp edges, no chemicals, no dyes. Just real, biodegradable materials that are safe if nibbled, chewed, or even swallowed in small bits. And for those who like to keep it eco-friendly, the entire thing is environmentally safe, even after it's worn out. It's not just for birds. Small rodents like hamsters or gerbils can also enjoy chewing on it. The combination of smooth wood and fraying cotton rope makes it an irresistible texture combo for all kinds of small animals. So, it's versatile too. As for setup, it couldn't be easier. You just hook it into your bird's cage using the attached hanging loop or clip, and that's it. It doesn't require any tools, batteries, or fuss. It just works, and your bird will know exactly what to do with it. If you've got a medium to large bird, then absolutely yes. It's affordable, it keeps your bird stimulated, and it encourages healthy behavior. Whether your bird is a curious conure or a majestic macaw, they'll find something to love in this toy. And that wraps up our look at the SunGrow Parakeet wooden chew toy. The best parrot toys wooden chew hanging, simple, safe, and endlessly entertaining. If you want to give your bird a new favorite activity, this one might just be it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment if you've tried this toy or have another bird product you'd like us to review. See you in the next one.